Hello guys, Shubham here back again. So today we are going to see that how you can install the brand new Google's OS which is Android 13 aka Tiramisu on your Poco F1. So let's see the installation steps of this brand new OS and also the first look of how it is and how it's different from Android 12. So let's get started. So at the very first time, let's download the required files. This is the Telegram channel called as Poco F1 Updates. I will link down this Telegram channel in description below. So from here you can see this is the notification which says the Arrow OS unofficial build of Android 13. Best thing is that you will get DFE out of the box. That is, there's no need to differently flash DFE. Clicking on the download link, you will be navigated to the OneDrive link. Click on the zip and after that you will get the three dot option above. Clicking on that, you just have to click on the download, and as you can see it's asking me that download this file again, but I have already downloaded so I won't. So once this download part is completed, then let's move to the file manager. This Android 13 folder which I have stored two files, that is the firmware and the ROM. Make sure these two files are really required to get this Android 13 installed successfully on your Poco F1. So now let's drill down to our business, power of this device and boot to the recovery of our phone. So as you can see that we have booted to the recovery of our phone. Make sure that you are using the latest TWRP recovery which you are using for Android 12 ROM, that is of 3.6. So moving further, let's move to the section which is wipe. Move to advanced wipe and wipe all the partitions as you do, such as Dalvik, system, cache, vendor and data. Make sure you don't wipe internal storage and wipe all the partition which is shown below. Once you are done with this, go back and then click on install. Clicking on install, you have to navigate to the folder where you have stored your Android 13 installation files. At the very first time, you have to install the firmware which you have stored. Click on it and swipe to confirm flash. As you can see that our firmware has been installed successfully. After that, you just have to go back and click on the ROM file which you have stored in the same folder and then swipe to confirm flash. So here you can see that the Arrow OS build has been getting flashed successfully, and make sure that you wait for 5 to 10 minutes because it takes some time to flash. Don't worry, it won't get into loop or anything such. It just takes times to flash, so wait for that. So here our rom.zip has been installed successfully, and you can see all the notes which shows that the ROM has been successfully flashed on the device. So now let's go back and then reboot to your system and see how it does look. So here our ROM is getting booted with this brand new boot animation of the Arrow OS. So let your ROM gets boot. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to boot into system. This is some new boot animation from the Arrow OS community which looks pretty much good, and it's kinda blue and white in color, maybe in case it's not visible on the camera itself. So moving to the main part, this is the setup of the welcome to your Android just to get in Android 12. I was searching for India as a region to get the English India language, but maybe it's not available right here. So it's not showing me over here, so let's select the default, that is English United States. So further, let's move to the setup where you used to set all of your stuff according to your preferences. And now I will just set up this thing as per my preferences and jump to the main part. So as you can see that our setup has been completed successfully. And you can see that we have successfully booted to ROM. Scrolling from up, you can see this is the settings where you just have to navigate to the about phone section to see everything you have installed, such as about phone section and everything else. So clicking on this section, you can see that Android 13 has been installed, and clicking on that Android 13 again and again, you will see that the Android 13 Easter egg. So quite interesting. So I have successfully installed Android 13 Tiramisu in your Poco F1 without any issues. Further, you will see the kernel version, the build date and security patch of 5th of August 2022, which is quite the latest one. So as I am using and looking at the Android 13 at the very first time, so from the first look, it looks pretty much similar like the Android 12 or 12.1. But surely there might be some minor changes in it, so that's something amazing and that's something good. Going to the system settings, you will see all the generic settings which you are seeing right now from Android 11 or 12 itself. Moving further, you will not get the face unlock, so that's something. Maybe this is the starting of the Android 13 OS build, so they are not implementing much of the stuffs and customization in it. And as everyone know that iOS is all about the stock experience and a vanilla experience with not much of the customization. So these are some small changes such as power menu and the active applications. Editing on tiles, you will get all the options such as direct sound enhancer, focus mode and all the other stuff which you are getting right from Android 11, 12. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, must hit that like button and also subscribe this channel for more such updates upcoming. Soon I will be reviewing this ROM and also uploading a video that how stable this ROM is and how it worked for me. So see you guys again in the next one with the review of this Android 13 ROM. Until then, peace out.